Kubota mini excavator U35-4 keeps stalling out, running out of fuel, and I diagnosed faulty fuel lift pump. I will take you step by step how to replace the pump, and yeah, let's get started. As I said, when you turn a key to the on position and at the connector, I had a power and a ground, and now time to put a new lift pump. As you can see, lift pump located behind the fuel filter, and yeah, let's disconnect the electrical connector. There's the two wires, power and ground. Let's put a rug under the pump to catch any diesel fuel we might spill. Let's undo the fuel line hose clamp and pull in lead hose from the pump, and same on the other side, that outlet from the fuel pump as well. Release that clamp and pull fuel line out. Alright, both fuel hoses disconnected. 12 mil shallow socket. If you have any questions about your Kubota, leave a comment down below. I will try to get back to you. Alright, 10 mil deep socket, one more bolt left. As you can see, everything is pretty straightforward. Okay, we're ready to remove our inline electric lift pump. As you can see, it still looks like new, but pump failed. You see those marks are in and out. Make sure you follow that order. Alright, pump is removed. Here's the new one from Kubota. There is a part number. I will put all additional information down in the description under the video. Yeah, let's install a new pump. As you can see, it is the same pump, and follow the flow how pump should be properly installed. There's a and installation as usual is opposite to removal. Guys, if this video is helpful, thumbs up, very appreciated that. Okay, I placed new pump in, and I will just do the same in reverse order. Okay, let's tie those bolts, connect both fuel lines, clamps on. Yeah, and now we have to purge the air from the system, connect the electrical connector as well, and undo the fuel line from the fuel injection pump, which is coming from the lift pump. Place it and in a bottle, and now I'm going to turn my key to the on position, energize and run a lift pump, and purge the air what's in a system. And yeah, before the injection pump, as you can see, my lift pump is running, and that's already exciting, means machine will get back to work. Yeah, run it until you see the solid stream of fuel, no air. As you can see, I have some fuel. Okay, let's crank it and get the rest of the air purged back into the return line. It's a little bit heating up, but yeah, as soon as the air will get purged out, machine will start running like this. Yeah guys, if it's helpful, I'm very glad, and thank you so much for your time watching this video. Check for any fuel leaks, and if necessary, purge the air from the injection pump. And as you can see, I had some fuel still in the pump, and just push the air back into the return line. Take care, see you soon, and bye bye.